We're not going to put it on Facebook enough.
You better not.
No, we're not putting it on Facebook.
Not Shannon, because Matt Keane, because he's in a wheelchair.
Alright, whatever.
It's filming, dude.
No, that's for the customer, James. You're gonna be shy.
It drops down.
James, eat it sensibly.
It's fucking shady. Spit out again.
Dude, what?
I need. Hold my toast. I need to.
You need to hold it with both hands.
It's fucking disgusting.
What the fuck is hold? Somebody to hold it.
Oh, James, I'll sip on that roll.
It's just starting to get a bit disgusting now.
It's just creepy.
Well, he does it so well.
I think that's how he actually eats.
Imagine him like at a fine
Starts eating his shirt.
That's the most disgusting fucking thing I've ever seen.